Welcome to our construction update for the Tamar Estuary River Health Action Plan projects. Over the past few months, there has been significant progress on the new sewerage infrastructure we are delivering to improve the health of the Tamar Estuary. Through the combined efforts of our team and the expertise of Tasmanian industries, this state-of-the-art facility is beginning to take shape. At our Tea Bend sewage treatment plant, work on the new 10 megalitre covered storage tank is progressing well. The final section of the concrete roof was completed in August, which brings the construction of the reinforced concrete tank to completion. More than 3,500 cubic metres of concrete and 750 tonnes of reinforcing steel have been placed to build this impressive structure. We have moved to the next phase of delivering this critical project, the electrical, mechanical and civil works, which will provide power and pipework to connect the new storage tank to the existing sewage network. We have partnered with several Tasmanian contractors to help us deliver this complex work over the coming months. We will install more than 300 metres of large below-ground pipework and place more than 25,000 tonnes of soil to reinstate the ground around the new tank. These works will include connections to the existing sewer pipelines that bring sewerage to the Tea Bend plant. New pumps will be installed along with the new stainless steel pipework and platform that we need to access, operate and maintain the new tank. During July, our switchboards were manufactured and installed into a new switch room building that will run new equipment. Built off-site, this new building has now been transported and craned into place. We will begin installing the cabling and electrical equipment that will provide power to the pumps, instruments and valves in the tank. In June, we successfully filled part of the tank with treated effluent to test its waterproofing. Now we're preparing to repeat this process in September for the remaining sections. These works are progressing well and involve working on infrastructure that has been in the ground for more than 140 years. Following completion of this work, we will begin reinstating and landscaping the site to reopen the parkland area later in the year. The remainder of the year is going to be very busy on site, and we're proud to be working alongside many Tasmanian businesses whose expertise and dedication are helping bring these improvement works to life. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like more information, visit us at taswater.com.au or follow us on our social channels.